2022 GMC Yukon XL SLE with the Duramax. You can barely hear it, but the Duramax is there. Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Wow, this has less than 50 miles on it at the time of this recording. The people literally had it sold to me before they took delivery of it. They ordered it 7-8 months ago, and life changed, so they went and honored their contract and picked the vehicle up, drove it right to me. We drove it a little bit, this is our first one. Impossible to find. It's basically brand new, full factory warranty, no accidents. It's been no reason to inspect it. Literally, we got it. It had 18 miles on it, delivery miles. Yeah, again, full factory warranty. We have one. It's ready to roll. You don't have to wait 7-8 months like everybody else. You can get it now. It's midnight blue. It has the walnut and slate interior. It is an SLE, so it has cloth with bench. That's right, you can take 9 people with you. Look at that huge touchscreen, adaptive cruise, remote start, lane keep, park assist front and back, steering wheel controls, Google Maps, Sirius. I mean, it's got nice equipment on it, but it is an SLE though. It's not going to cost you $100,000 or $90,000. It's way less than that. It has the maximum towing package on it. But yeah, it smells like new. It looks like new. It's got full warranty. It has less than 50 miles on it right now. Don't wait long. It's the hottest SUV on the market right now. Impossible to get. That Duramax is good for 26 miles to the gallon on the highway. You can barely hear it. Just beautiful. Love this blue. Goes blue to black. Gorgeous color. Yeah. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.